Hello everyone, welcome back to another English class. Today we are going to continue with our healthcare unit, but this time we are going to concentrate in filling out a medical form. Yes, filling out the medical form. Sometimes most of the time, of all the times that you go to the medical clinic, you have to write down your information in a medical form. So we're going to go here, the healthcare unit, making an appointment with the doctor. We completed that. And then we're going to go to section number 2, filling out a medical form. We're going to start with the introduction of this chapter, okay? As you can see, there is an introduction, a presentation. We're going to look at some pictures and tell me, what do you see in these pictures, okay? What do you see in picture A? Where are these two ladies? I believe they are at a doctor's office, right? Look, Dr. Jackson. What do you see here? You see two people, a man and a woman, filling out a form. What do you see here in picture C? Do you see the doctor speaking to Amelia? The lady, her name is Amelia, looking at her form. And what do you see in picture D? In picture D, you have the receptionist and Amelia talking in the phone. This is a calendar. So most likely they are making an appointment. So let's look at each one of these pictures individually. Let's listen to what they have to say.
Hello, my name is Amelia Diaz. I have an appointment with Dr. Gold.
First, you need to fill out this form with your medical history.
Medical history?
Yes, you need to write down any health problems you have.
So Amelia is filling out a medical form. In the medical form, you must include all your medical history. For example, if you had some problems with your health, you have to write it down. If you smoke, you have to write that down. If in your family there is some sort of illness, chronic illness, you must write that down in your medical form. So that is what's happening in this picture. Let's look at picture 3. What's happening here? Let's listen to what they have to say.
Can you help me, please? What should I do here?
It says, do you smoke? Do you smoke cigarettes?
Oh, I don't smoke.
So write no.
Amelia says, can you please help me? Can you help me, please? What should I do here? And the man says, do you smoke? Do you smoke cigarettes? He's asking if you smoke cigarettes. And Amelia says, oh, I don't smoke, which is a good thing. Smoking is not good. What happens in picture 4? Let's look at picture 4.
Hello, how can I help you today?
I don't feel well. I can't stop sneezing. It's been like this for 2 weeks.
You need to take an allergy test. Come back to see me after the test.
As you can see, the doctor has the medical form and is asking what's going on with her. And Amelia says that she's not feeling well. I can't stop sneezing. Achoo, sneezing. Achoo, sneezing. It's been like this for 2 weeks. Amelia, has been sneezing for 2 weeks. So you need to take an allergy test, the doctor suggests. Come back to see me after the test. So when you have an allergy test, you usually go and get blood taken, drawn, and then you come back after the test results are in. Let's look at picture 5 before we start working in the vocabulary. What do you think is happening here? Yes, Amelia and the receptionist are making an appointment. Let's listen to what they have to say.
This is Amelia Diaz. I'm calling to make another appointment with Dr. Gold.
How about January 8th at 4:30?
Great, thank you.
So after Amelia gets her blood results from the allergy test that the doctor mandated, she has to make another appointment to see the doctor. The receptionist is making the next appointment for January 8th at 4:30 p.m. And Amelia says, great, thank you. Okay, so now that we have the introduction to this part, let's look at the vocabulary. So there are some words that you need to know when you're filling out a medical form. So please listen and repeat. Address. 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 What's an address? An address is where you live. For example, I live in 111 Lure Court, Northwest, Melbourne, Florida, 32935. That's my address. What's your address? Next, look at the next one. Citizen. 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 What's a citizen? A citizen is a person that is born in a country. For example, you can be a citizen of the United States after you go through the process of naturalization. Citizen. You can be a citizen of Puerto Rico, citizen of Italy, a citizen of Colombia, a citizen of Guatemala, a citizen. Citizen. An American citizen. Let's look at the next word. Date. 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 The date refers to the day, the month. For example, your date of birth. Date of birth. That's your happy birthday day, right? For example, my birthday is August 29, 1975. Birth date. Date. Today's date is April 27th, 2020. Date. Date. Next word. Exercise. 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 When do you exercise? Do you exercise? Sometimes they ask you if you exercise. Exercise. If you run, you do exercise. If you lift weights, that's exercise. If you do aerobics, exercise. The next word is feet. 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 Feet refers to two. You have 2 feet. Feet, you walk on your feet. 1 foot, 2 feet. Foot, 1. Feet, 2. Fill out a form. Fill out a form. When you fill out a form, you write down your information. Fill out. Fill out. Fill out a form. Fill out a form. Height. Height. They give you sometimes the form and ask you for the information about the height. How tall are you? Tall, short, medium size, height. For example, in America, you're asked to give your height in feet. For example, I am 6 feet 1 inch. Height. Height. Inches. 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 Inches is also another word that describes measurements. Inches. You have feet and inches. Feet and inches. 1 foot is 12 inches. Married. 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 Some forms ask you if you are single or you are married. Married. Married is when you are married to someone, you have a spouse, okay, a husband or a wife. Married. Matrimony. Medical history form. The medical history form. Medical history form. The medical history form refers to the history in your family, or if you have any illness, any problems, such as asthma or cancer or anything of that nature that you have to mention and write down in your form. Medical history form. Patient. Patient. The patient is someone that requires medical attention. Pounds. Pounds. Pounds refers to the weight. Weight. If you are 50 pounds, 60, 90 pounds, 100 pounds, 200 pounds, and so on and so forth. Weight. How heavy you are. Smoke cigarettes. In those forms, they also ask you if you smoke cigarettes. If you're a smoker, you have to write that down because it can affect your health. Weight. 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 Weight is measured in pounds. How much do you weigh? I weigh 190 pounds. So these are the medical history form vocabulary words that you will need to remember. So repeat. Address. Citizen. Date. Exercise. Feet. Fill out a form. Height. Inches. Married. Medical history form. Patient. Pounds. Smoke cigarettes. Weight. Well, these are the words that I would like you to practice. So Please practice them, and I will see you tomorrow.